Welcome to today's Join demo. Today we'll be looking at how a vendor services some equipment. In today's example, we'll showcase how a vendor is assigned a task for a compressor PM. On the left we have the maintenance foreman's view, and on the right we have the vendor's mobile app on the device. We'll choose the compressor PM task and assign it to the vendor. I'm logged in as a vendor on the mobile app. As soon as it's assigned, it shows up on the mobile. I can then accept the task, fill in the relevant information, add my signature, take a picture of the compressor, resolve the task. Nope, it wants me to enter the time spent on the task as a validation, so we'll go ahead and do that, and then resolve it. And on the other side, as the maintenance foreman view, on the web portal, I can go in and I can see all the updates to the status on the form, the signature that was filled out, as well as the picture itself. Well, that's all for vendor equipment servicing. Please reach out if you have any questions and we'll be more than happy to answer them. Have a nice day. Thank you.